candle right to the forefront. And that candle must be reinforced by hands together. This big rope, which human beings are going to build and hold together, hands and care, will make sure that candle does not blow off. And we are determined to change the situation. We're transforming ourselves. I say, you take your pruning shears and we start shearing ourselves. Those that I block here, I block them so that we can actually be able to say, it's time to share ourselves, but then when the situation is like the environment is dingling, we need to hold hands together because we have got to push, not necessarily on ourselves, but we're looking forward to create an enabling environment. We must be able to push the NGOs, we must be able to push government, we must be able to, we must be able to sustain, change the environment. The chiefs and all the big guys, the affluent and the what, they need to understand and give us a space. And that space is...
Okay. But that, in the case of Lesotho then, it is...
Yes.
You have that
we have to evaluate.
Only influencing
and then, now,
policy
no, Lesotho not policy, because you talk policy, you're going to go to politics next.
No, sure, but then I don't understand what your charter is. Can I have a look at
the charter is the grassroots movement. It's not, we are not designing it for government. Neither are we. But we are saying we are here and we are moving